You should have done this thing outside. There should always be a meeting outside. When we come to Parliament, we do parliamentary business. And I believe what we are doing here, everything is at standstill now. We are not doing parliamentary business.
Your point of order is noted.
What?
Your point of order is noted.
Not sustained. No, then they should leave. They should leave there and then we move on. I'm calling on us to move on based on this order. Or go inside and talk. Or we'll go on recess. We'll go out and give you. When you are ready, we'll come back and meet you.
Can I answer? Can I answer? Everybody that you see here was invited by the chair. So for a brief discussion, in continuation of today's sitting, and in line with the order you have just read, whether or not we should proceed in view of a very urgent assignment at the villa by 1 o'clock. And please approach the chair so you can be part of it.
I don't want to be part of it. I'm opposed to this one. I will not come. It's unparliamentary. It's unparliamentary. It's wrong. It's wrong. So I will not approach the chair.
Chairman Banking, take your seat.
Chairman Banking.
Chairman Power, take your seat. Chairman Banking, take your seat.
Chairman Banking.
Inform you that today is Armed Forces Emblem Launch, which should take place about now at the Presidential Villa. So let me quickly mention that the Committee on Selection met, and the new chairman of the Senate Committee on Livestock and Animal Husbandry is the distinguished Senator Shehu Boba, and the Committee Chairman on National Intelligence and National Security is the distinguished Senator Abdullahi Yahya, CON. Am I right? Or do I give you a bigger title? Then we have Acting Chairman on Committee on Air Force, the Swiss Senator Osetangu. Then the Committee Chairman on National Planning will be the Swiss Senator Mustafa. The Swiss Senator Mustafa, he will now be the new chairman on Committee on National Planning. I will give you the composition of your members with the vice tomorrow.